Go see what's up, guys? Back with the video. It's your boy Monty Johnson. I'm gonna go see us camping. She's eating. She's filming. She's eating. She's go to her YouTube channel. What's your YouTube channel name? Go to Janae dancing. You go see a girl with a.
Oh yeah, my merch is coming out. Okay.
You have a merch? Yeah, my merch gonna come out. It's gonna be like this. Gonna say Monte the Cool.
If you like unicorns, come to my merch is not gonna be. It's gonna be something else.
Why are we talking about merches anyway? We just.
When I'm done eating, we can show you the whole thing where we cut it at. And there's a. I'm not gonna show you. Yep.
I'll show y'all live.
I showed them. He's filming too. Monday. And my baby does.
Okay, MJ.
So yeah. Say hi, MJ.
What happened?
I just don't want to say hi. And you're not gonna be in our videos no more.
He said because he got his own video.
But make them on camera.
He make him on his tablet, though. You want to go eat outside? We can eat outside.
Auntie said, I didn't tell. Last night I asked if we could eat in the tent and she said, I asked Keisha.
And she said yes. But she didn't
But
say.
it's in her side, not this side.
Well, I told her she can eat on our side.
And Keisha said I can eat on that side. But Keisha didn't buy this now. But Keisha still.
She still could tell us what to do.
Yeah, she's our auntie. Not mine.
Actually, she's ours, not yours. She's your cousin.
You're not sister and brother.
Hmm?
You're not sister and brother. We might be. You
don't know that?
We might be stepsisters and brothers. You never know. Oh, guys, and your sister didn't pick up her trash last night. And guys, tomorrow I'm gonna make. Tomorrow I'm gonna make.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
We're not leaving tomorrow.
Wait, today is Saturday. We're only spending the night for the weekend. We already spent the night 2 times, so we're leaving tomorrow. Yeah, we are. Half a day we're leaving.
We only staying for 3 days.
Yeah. You know. MJ. Coming.